Hello, this is N2EWS and welcome to my channel. Here are some things about handheld transceivers that really grind my gears. Number 1. Screw-on batteries. Whose idea was it to make the batteries screw on? It had to be a former government worker. It's the only job where you don't have to worry about pleasing a customer. You might be able to unscrew this with a dime, I don't know, I haven't tried it. But it just doesn't make sense. The only way it would make sense is if these radios were waterproof, and they are not waterproof. And it doesn't really matter anyway. Think about the Samsung Galaxy S5. That was waterproof and it had a snap-on plastic back where you could pull it off and replace the battery yourself. So waterproof doesn't necessitate a screw-on battery. Number 2, frequency copy. Now I've got this Quansheng UV-K5 and I'm going to copy the frequency from my TID radio TDH3. Now, first of all, you'll notice that on the TDH3, the transmit frequency is 146.1. It received 146.09875, so it gets the frequency wrong. It gets the CTSS code, but how is that useful if it doesn't also transmit the receive frequency and the transmit frequency? I find it useless. To its credit, the Quansheng UV-17 Pro does copy the frequency correctly. (146.1). But again, that's useless without the offset. So it's no good for repeaters, it's only good for simplex. Next, inconsistent menu operation across devices. On the UV-K5, pressing the up key changes the menu option to a higher number. Up is higher, right? UV-17, menu. Up goes to number 2, number 3, and so on. On the TDH3, menu. Up goes to number 2, number 3, and so on. On the Quansheng UV-K5, down takes you to the next menu operation. Next, display. Take a look at what I have here. You've got the TID radio TDH3, the Quansheng UV-17 Pro, the Quansheng UV-K5. Which display don't you see? That's right, the Quansheng UV-K5. The best you can do is have it time out after 5 seconds, whereas these displays all give you the option to have the backlight on continually. And there you have it. These are many of the things that grind my gears about handheld transceivers. Let me know in the comments if you have any opinions on these things. Thank you for watching, and 73s.